Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Guide Pro. These two laptops looks premium, both are thin, light and expensive. But one is Apple's MacBook Air M3 and the other is Samsung's Galaxy Book 6 Pro. So the real question is, which one should you actually buy in 2026? Let us break it down. Don't skip this video till if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. Let's start with design. MacBook Air M3 feels minimal and super clean. Apple's build quality is still top tier. But Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro is just a premium thin metal body. Lightweight and very modern. Honestly, if you like Windows, Samsung finally feels Apple level. Now this is where things change. MacBook Air has a great display. Sharp color, accurate and reliable. Samsung goes crazy here. You get a dynamic AMOLED display, deeper blacks, punchier colors and smoother scrolling. For Netflix, YouTube, photo or video editing, Samsung wins this round. Performance is tricky. Apple's M3 chip is insanely efficient. Apps open fast and everything feels smooth. Samsung uses Intel latest core processor. Great for multitasking and Windows apps. For delivery, both feel fast. But for heavy tasks like video editing or long battery efficiency, Apple still has its small edges. Battery life matters a lot. MacBook Air M3 famous for all-day battery. Sometimes even more. Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro is good, but not on Apple's level. If battery is your priority, Apple wins. Software and ecosystem, this part is depend on you. If you use iPhone, iPad, AirPods, MacBook feels magical. But if you use Android and Samsung phones, Galaxy Book works beautifully. File sharing, phone leaking, even using your phone as a webcam. Apple has a smoother ecosystem, but Samsung is catching up fast. Price and value. Neither of these laptops is cheap. You are paying for Samsung's $1,957 and Apple's $889. Brand design, display performance. MacBook Air M3 is safer and more reliable. Galaxy Book 6 Pro gives you a better strength and Windows flexibility. Final verdict. So which one should you buy? Buy MacBook Air M3 if you want best battery, Apple ecosystem, long-term reliability. Or buy Galaxy Book 6 Pro if you want best display, Windows power, Samsung ecosystem. So MacBook or Samsung? Comment your choice below. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like for more gadget updates. Subscribe to the bell icon for more gadget videos.